In this challenge, what we're going to look at is analyzing graphs. Okay, so in this example, this is number 3 in your packet. So if you want to take notes in there, in this case it says data sets A and B are graphed on a coordinate grid below. Right? You can see those graphs that are there. And then if we look down at the question, it says, which statement about the lines of best fit for the data sets is most likely true? So what we want to do in this case, right now, if we look at this, there is not any line of best fit there. All right, so what we could do is, if we want to draw a sketch in of what we think the line of best fit is. So I'm doing this on my computer, so I'm going to have a hard time drawing a straight line, but I'm going to see what I can come up with. Let's see if I can draw a straight line going through all of these points. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to come up with something like that for the first one, and then I'm going to change my color up. I'll make this one orange for the second one. So going through my second set of points, there's probably going to be something that looks like this. Alright, so it's a line of best fit. We're not calculating anything right now. So what we're just going to do is kind of estimate what's going on here. Alright, so what I want you to think about is, all right, what do you notice about these lines? Right? Are they the same line? Are they parallel, perpendicular? What can you say about their slope? Anything like that? Right? So when we look at our answer choices, all right, I'm going to scroll down here a little bit so we can see them. It says for choice A, it says the line of best fits for the data set are the same line. All right. Are these two lines at the exact same spot sitting on top of each other, right? In our case, we can say no. All right, so I know that I can eliminate A as an answer choice. All right, the second question says the y-intercepts and the slopes of the lines of best fit both differ by 4. Okay, so I would estimate that the y-intercepts would differ by 4. And I would basically say that because if I look at different points on my lines, if I go, just go down 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like that would be about right for the y-intercept, all right, for any point on the line. But my slopes look to be about the same because these lines are parallel. So in this case, I could probably rule out number 2 as an answer because my slopes are not differing by 4, right? Question C says the y-intercepts of the line of best fit of the data sets differ by 4 and the slopes are the same. All right, that's pretty consistent with what we were looking at. So far I think C looks like a good choice. And then for question D it says the slope of the line of best fit is 4, and the line of fit for data set is 4, and the slope of the line of the best fit for data set is 1/4. All right. And then we can rule that out just because it looks like our slopes are about the same, right? So in this case, we could say that choice C is the answer. The y-intercepts of the lines of best fit for sets A and B differ by 4, but the slopes are the same. Use this as a guide. All of these questions in this challenge are a little bit different, but see if you can use your reasoning skills to come up with an answer. Once you're finished with this, make sure that you review the questions after you submit them because there will be feedback on what you may have done if you got a question wrong.